PNG Happenings.
Remember to subscribe to our channel for more stories like this.
Governor belong Sepik.
Skim I noga tok sabe mi like directly mi golong minister I lookout team elections na I lookout team census. Sorry, mi no sabe good lo title blue so mi address you also.
Point of order.
Me I got request to come long all LLG presidents belong Sepik na one pla ward member belong me two long Jangit mi go border one time Ramu long Medeng province Max Pokum Oli Salim asking me come so me must ask him you. Me understand also I got a budget below close to I think 120 million and belong LLG elections. You can confirm him this plan or not. Number one, ask him. Number two, ask him. I'm also enough you talk sabe long all people belong. You me long Papua New Guinea whether this law get a money all line long electoral commission ikisim penis or no gat. Number two, ask him. Number three, I'm also display me concern belong all LLG presidents belong Sepik. Na all ward members belong me blah. You got all outstanding bills where Electoral Commission I been come long conducting 2022 elections. Na only go na only obtaining services belong man merilo place only kisim all speedboat, only kisim all car, even private car, all kisim plan it through. Na only no been paying all this bills na only outstanding yet is that. Okay, recently long time long walking census, one kind person come up. All line long NSO you go down long Sepik na only go kisim all car na. Kisim all kind all services where only need him. Guest house blol man Mary. Now this blol bills too outstanding nice stuff. So plan the complaint I go along all ward members blol me plan. I go through all presidents also. Only like him this blol bills by this two agency staff and need look out blow you. He straight him past them. Before long you play go ahead lo walk blow LLG elections. I think display me same concern is that me harim sample narlo member to talk. Lo narlo province to one guy. So enough you give him one pla talk sabe go long all service providers long Sepik na long Papua New Guinea too also. You play got money penis na by play straight him all get a display dinner blue play go back in uplo 2022. I'm narlo asking. Na final one I'm also enough you confirm him suppose all LLG elections by come up lo time where good minister belong local level government.
Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth discussions on the issues that matter. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
PNG Happenings.